Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So in this video we will do one numerical from mechanical metallurgy part. So this question was basically asked by one of the student on our Instagram page, and this question is very nice. And sometimes people do the mistake in this type of questions, and they forget the concept behind finding these type of questions, behind the units, and many more silly mistakes they do in this type of question. So that's why I have taken this question. So hope you will understand something new in this question. So the question is the expected plane strain fracture toughness, that is KIC, okay, of a material processing yield strength of 1200 MPa. So yield strength is given. So sigma naught is given, that is 1200 megapascal, that is MPa, is 60 MPa under root of m. Okay, so this value is basically KIC. So this is the language issue, and sometimes people take this value as KIC, but you should also consider the unit. So this is basically the unit of KIC. So KIC value will be 60 MPa under root of m. Okay, so this sigma naught is given, this KIC is given, and they are asking to determine its KIC, the minimum specimen thickness should be. So they are asking about the minimum specimen thickness in plane strain fracture in plane strain condition. Okay, so how to find this minimum specimen thickness during plane strain condition? So there is a formula which is related to this minimum specimen thickness and during the plane strain condition. Okay, for the plane strain condition, that is B is equals to 2.5. So you may find this numerical, this you may find this formula in Dieter book. Okay, so this formula is very simple, and which is relating the minimum specimen thickness to the fracture toughness and also the yield strength. Okay, so this is 2.5 KIC by sigma naught whole power 2. Okay, so this is the formula. So from here we will put these values KIC and sigma naught, and we will get this B value. So B is equals to 2.5, KIC value is given, that is 60 MPa meter under root of meter, square root of meter, by 1200 whole of square. Okay, so from here we will get 2.5 multiplied by 0.0025, and the value of B will be equals to 0.00625 in meter. Okay, but in question they are asking in mm. Okay, so this is in millimeter, so how we can change it into millimeter? So in millimeter we'll write like that, 6.25 millimeter. Okay, so this is the answer for this question, and this B is basically the minimum thickness that they are asking about the specimen. Okay, so this is minimum thickness, and from here you can also do the unit balance. So KIC unit will be MPa under root of m, and sigma naught unit will be MPa under root of whole square. So MPa will get cancelled, and this unit will be in meters. Okay, so that will be in meter. So from when we get into the meter, we can easily change it into millimeter or nanometer or any other units also. Okay, so for this question, B means B value is 6.25. So C part is correct for this question. Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have understood this question, and hope you have learned something new in this video. We'll come with more questions in our upcoming videos. Please try to put your problems on our Instagram page. We will solve those questions one by one. Thank you.